Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, if you want to stop this birth and death, don't indulge in sense gratification. Then again in time. Nunam pramatta kurudurvita. Jad indriya pritaye aprinoti. Nasadu manne jatu atmaya. Asannapi asakadhir. All right, this body is for few years, it will be ended. And that's all right, it will be ended, but you will have to accept another body. The body, acceptance of the body you have to, because you have got desire. Sense gratification. The sense gratification means you must have material senses to gratify. The Krishna is so pleased, so merciful, not pleased, but he is very merciful. All right, this rascal wants like this, give him this facility, all right. This rascal wants to eat stool, all right, let him have a body, a pig. This is going on, nature's law. So this knowledge, Bhagavad-gita knowledge is so perfect for the human society. And Krishna wants that this knowledge should be spread because everybody, sarva jonishu kaunteya sambhavanti murtaya. He is the seed-giving father. Father is naturally well-wisher. These rascals, they are suffering, prakritisthani, manashasthani indrani, prakritisthani causes, simply guided by mental speculation, mana, and assisted by the senses, they are struggling so hard. And if they come back to me, they can lead so nicely, as my friend, as my lover, as my father, as my mother, Vrindavan. So, claim them, again, call them. That therefore Krishna comes. Jada jada hi dharma. Because the whole world is running on under the false impression of sense enjoyment. Therefore he comes and advises. Sarva dharman parityaja. You rascal, give up all this engagement. Don't be proud that you are scientifically advanced. You are all rascals. Give up this nonsense. Come to me. I will give you protection. This is Krishna. How merciful he is. And the same business should be done by Krishna's servant. Not to become a great yogi, magic player. No. That is not required. Simply speak what Krishna says. Then you become spiritual. Don't speak anything nonsense. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also said, Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadu. Simply you preach the instruction of Krishna. Whomever you meet, then you become spiritual. That's all. Very simple thing. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.